guys, hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you are watching this amazing video from. I'm Kurian. Usitoe kwanza. I'm Kurian Mercy. For who doesn't know me, go and check me. Subscribe, enjoy my YouTube channel, guys. Today, guys, here I'm gonna showing you something here. Imekufa eh? So guys, here acha kutoa basi, utatoa baadaye kakiwa kazima. So guys, I'm going to show you what is going on here. And here we have some bats. Here it falls from down up to here. And here inside, guys, we have eggs and the bats which have already passed. And I'm going to show you guys. So here we have another bat here inside, which is live. So guys, you see? You see? Imenda. He's here, guys. You see? This is the bat inside. Akijakwa kikubwa. So guys, this is the bat. You see? You see the way it is, guys. And here you see there is some bats. And I think this they fall down. Guys. And let me show you. You see the house of the bats. I don't know these bats. You see, they fall down, guys. And here we have also the egg. You see the egg of the bats. You see the way it is, guys. This is how they look like, guys. And this is the house. Kimeanguka, kilikuwa hapa ndani na diaiona ndo ili hapa. So guys, continue watch until end the video, guys. And here you hear the noise. Tutakipeleka aje juu. Kitakuja kibebwe. Kimekufa na kilikuwa kizima vyote. So guys, continue watch until end the video, guys. Subscribe. So guys, there is a time which you can't get these bats here because they usually they usually go to the place which is food. So guys, like you see, the maize is already, they come back here. So guys, when the maize will finish, you can't see here the bat. Toka dudu daddy, dudu. So this is the one which is have already died, and it was good. It was live. I see. Yeah, the time which. So guys, you hear the voice. So guys, the yellow bat, the yellow. Toka Kigen, toka hapo. You see, when baby Kigen is want to catch the bat, just imagine, and is dead. Come here, baby. Joto. Situende, ona Niki anakuita. Niki? Nixon. So guys, you see? Iko na vororo na unaingia ndani nayo. So guys, So guys, let me show you our guys. Continue watch me until end the video guys, and subscribe. You see our millet the way it is guys, and I'm very happy because of this millet. It have been grown well and everything is okay guys. Continue watch my YouTube channel until end the video guys. Subscribe, do everything in a positive way or a negative. Guys, this is the way, and you see the way it's life guys. Here everything is green guys. I thank God because of this. And let me pass here so that I can go and show you. And this is the millet I'm passing through, and it's so big guys. Even I'm afraid to enter here inside, but I can walk. Yeah, I can walk. You see, even there is some our food in Eastern Africa. This is the main one. You see? Come close so that my people will see what is this. This is our meat. The small mushroom. Today we are going to enjoy the meat. This is our meat guys. And this small mushroom is so good and nice, sweet. Yeah. So guys, this is the way and ni biaru mpaka pire hiriri pira ama virabiri pi udah wanan nanda takata shauri nunda alimwambia chacha itu wengi naona some small bats which they are jumping up and down here inside. because of the millet, this small millet they eat. And this is the way, guys, you see. And guys, I love you so much, and God bless you guys. You see. And this is the small one, you see, guys. This is the small one. It have not been grown, and they will grow. They not have fertilizer, guys. You see, guys, this is the sisal which I was showing you the day. There is some days which I was showing you guys. It was small, and now it's have a big tree. You see. This is the tree which we used to, even this is the medicine which you can take shower with. It's like a soap, guys. Yeah, tomorrow I will come here so that I will come to fetch firewood here. Yeah, I see the firewood is here, good. Yeah, guys. So guys, let me go and show you my maize so that you can support me even with the fertilizer so that I can put to my maize. Because you see, this is the bananas. They have not been big, so they will be big, guys. We will enjoy. So guys, if you have never seen the tobacco, today I'm going to show you. I'm here full of force, and because of you guys, you see. Yeah, this is the way. And here we have dogs sleeping in the shamba, sleeping in the farm. I know everybody they are eager to hear me the way I'm talking every day, that shamba 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 shamba. But I have, that is my, I don't know, I can't say how, but I know I know many people they say is the farm, but us here we use shamba. So guys, you understand, and that is the way you can understand. Continue understanding Korean Mercy, so that guys, you know, even English is so hard, and English is not water. You see, guys, this is my soya beans. So guys, I'm trying to go to the shamba so that I can show you my maize, so that you can support me even with fertilizer, so that I can put to my maize. So that I can put to my maize, guys. Yeah, because you see, this is the one which I put fertilizer, and I was having two that small basket, guys, the small basket. So guys, you can help me with the, even when I can get, guys, even 2 kg, no, 50 kg, 50 kg, two, two, I can say how I can get 100 kg, guys, 50 kg, 50 kg. I can put my maize, guys. I will be fine, and God will bless you guys. Continue, guys. You see, the maize is already for the fertilizer, guys. He's waiting for the fertilizer, and I don't have money for putting fertilizer, guys. Because of you guys, you are here because to me, guys, show me love so that my maize can remain good and can remain like this, guys. And you see, the rain is raining, guys, and I'm happy, guys. Today I have decided to tell you so that you can help me even with money, so that I can buy fertilizer, guys. I'm not good when I come here to see my maize, because my maize is waiting for the time to put fertilizer to my maize. So guys, continue and support me, guys. You can hear me, guys, and help me so that I can put my maize to be good. So guys, this is the way, and God bless you. And guys, I know you can't left me. You will help me. You see my maize, guys, is here, is waiting for the fertilizer. So guys, I used to put this, and this, they can't help me, but they will help again, guys. Yeah, another season is the time which they can help me. So guys, continue watch until end the video. And the rain is raining, guys, and it's sunny and the rain is raining. So guys, continue watch until end the video, guys, and subscribe, guys. Enjoy and do everything in a positive way or a negative way, guys. I love you so much, and God bless you. Show me love, guys, so that I can be happy with my things, guys. You know, guys, because of you is the way I'm here. I'm here because of you, guys, and it's you make me happy every day, guys. Every day is you, my family is you, my everything. You see the maize, guys, is waiting for the fertilizer, guys. You see, even this one is ours. And guys, I know, guys, you can't left me. You will support me with, even when I can get two, I don't know, I can say how, 50 kg, 100 kg, it can be help me, and I can put for my maize so that I can be okay. You see, is not good, guys. And when I can left like this, I can't remove anything from here. So guys, you have to support Korean Mercy so that I can get, even, yeah, so that I can get something, guys. So guys, I love you so much, and God bless you. My soybeans is going to be, and guys, this is the way, and let me show you the way, guys. This is the way. This is my soybeans. You see the way it is. It's very nice, guys, and continue watch until end the video. Subscribe, enjoy. You see the way it is here. You see, guys, this is my soybeans, and I thank God because it's have been grown well. And this is the way, guys. And continue watch until end the video. Subscribe, enjoy amazing video for Korean Mercy. And God bless you, guys. God bless you. And here, guys, we have onions which we used to cook. And my brother was digging here in the morning, guys, but he left because he was tired. And this is the onions which I'm showing you. And guys, this is the place which they have not finished to dig, and they will dig tomorrow, I think. Yeah, guys, this is the way. This is the onions which we use to cook sukuma wiki and omena. So guys, I thank God for everything, and God bless you. God bless you, guys. This is our good vegetable. It's adding even the blood in the body. We call it mchicha, guys. It's very good, and we thank God for everything, and God is there, guys. Muvarisha nguo. So guys, this is the way, you see. Yeah, there is some morinda inside. They mix. And this is my flowers, guys. Very soon I will be digging them because it need to be dig so that they can be good. So guys, this is the way, and I thank God. And here, this is our house, guys, which have remained there in many years old. But one day, one time, I think God will help, and everything will go good. When I see this our house, guys, I'm not feeling happy because my father, you know, my father, he gets an accident. It's the way he left doing this house. He injured her leg because, guys, he was, me, I don't know, I can say what. When I see this our house, I'm starting crying because when you see up, guys, even the timbers, they have start, I don't know, I can say what, they have started removing because even we can't put here mabati like that. We will decide to remove the timbers because they even when you go up you can fall down because they have been zimeoza, guys, zimeoza. So, guys, we must remove because no money, but one day, one time, I think God will make it and everything will go okay and everything will go straight. So, guys, this is the way, and I thank God for everything, and God bless you who are watching my YouTube channel. Continue watch until end the video and subscribe Kurian Mercy's YouTube channel, and God bless you, my people, and I love you so much, guys. This is the way, and this is our house, which I'm telling you, guys. Yeah, this is the house which I'm telling you. And one day, one time, I know God can't left his all her. So, guys, I think one day, one time, we will enter there because God can't left us. So, guys, even you see the way the wall is, you see, even the wall, like the way is, this is the way. And, guys, even one day, one time, I will show you inside the house, guys. You see the way it is inside the house. Yeah, guys, this is the way it is inside the house, guys. Yeah. So, guys, I think God, one day, one time, God will make it for us, and everything will go straight, everything will go okay, and we will be okay, guys. So this is the way, and this is the flowers, guys, and the passion fruit. You see, everything is okay in our village, guys. We thank God for everything, guys. And yeah, guys, so continue watch until end the video and subscribe. Enjoy amazing video for Kurian Mercy. Continue supporting Kurian Mercy to reach 1000 subscriber, guys. This is the house which I'm telling you, and you see, guys, even the water have been many inside, guys, because we have never get money for continuing build this house, but we know one day, one time, God will make it. And, guys, because you know my father gets an injury, is not having a good leg. Yeah, he's not having a good red leg, so that they can go to search. And yeah, guys, that is the way. You see, this is our house, guys. This is our house, and our dream house, guys. This is our dream house that one day, one time, God will make, and we will come here so that we can live and live, guys. And let me show you this house. This is our room, guys, which we can use to sleep. And you see the way it is. We used to put inside the cow because it have not been finished, guys. You see the way it is. Yeah. So, guys, let me go and show you here, guys. This is our house, our dream house. Our dream house, it have remained many years old. You see, even down the way it's showing you, it have remained many years old, guys, from 2014 up to today. Yeah, guys, you see, I don't know how I can show you. You see, guys, This is our dream house. Our dream house. I hope one day, one time, we will marry it and God will be there. Yeah, guys.